I give you a challenge. Pupunta tayo, staff ka staff mo. Pag napatunayan na patsi-patsi lang ginawa, someone has to resign. Are you willing to resign? Challenge taken. Good.
The NIA administrator, upon the challenge of Senator Tulfo, yes, said, one, they're willing to go to the site and inspect it. And
And of
two,
course, we're going to bring experts, engineers, independent.
and two,
Observers.
if it is found out that in fact, as alleged by our good senator, that there are defects in the repairs, the administrator has said he's willing to resign.
And
So
we will
he vouches for
Yeah.
the integrity of the repairs undertaken as accepted by the Irrigators Association as well.